Oh, shit.
Just now. Oh! Just now, Steve. I just saw that's Katie and Chris over there. Oh, it just.
They need to get that shit away from the boat.
That's not good. Very close to that other boat. Probably try and drag it back out. No.
MOB. Yo, Mike.
So you just heard the cops tell these guys to get away from the boat. Keep in mind, these guys could have towed that boat out into the middle of the channel, dropped an anchor, or just held on to it with their rope, staying at a long distance away from it. After you watch all the destruction that this boat caused to everything in here, which will amaze you, do you think that the cops did the right thing or the wrong thing, telling these guys to get away from the boat? Because look at all the destruction that just happened. On a side note, did you see that the fire department during this whole time didn't even spray any water whatsoever? So in the comments below, let's talk about this. I'd like to hear everybody's opinion on what the fire department did or didn't do, as well as the police department.
On fire. Already put the other one on fire. Fire's still back. Where was it tied up? I don't know. I saw smoke from here when I first. There's a spot over there we're going to tie up. Put back down out of the way. Go by the barge now. Go down to the barge.
I wonder why nobody moved the freaking boats over there from that dock. Yeah, it's right there, right next to it. Oh, there it goes. There's the explosion.
In the event that that would happen. But you can see like the gas tank went off. It's probably not gonna be fire hydrant showing water.
Yeah, our time he's telling us to move.
Who's moving the boat? Are they towing it?
Yeah, they want us to move. Yeah, our time. So bring up the water. Yeah, don't turn the auxiliary and instruments on. Why aren't they towing it? You gotta tow it out there somewhere and sink it. Oh, I think the line burnt off. Yeah, the line burnt off. Well, we're okay. The wind's gonna blow it that way. The wind's gonna blow it that way.
So here's another situation. I feel these guys did the right thing by towing this boat away from the dock. I think it avoids other destruction of boats and dock and any other materials. Get it out into safer water in case of an explosion. But I want to hear what you think. Put it down in the comments. Another thought on this too is from an insurance company's perspective. How would this affect the payout on the claim? Would the insurance companies, if they saw this video, would they say that these two guys towed that boat away from the dock, stopping the ability of anybody to put out the flames, avoiding a complete loss? So add your comments to that as well.
I don't know how they're gonna get it. Like the heat, I can feel the heat from here. Like,
Really?
they're not gonna get on that.
There's these guys trying to hook it up.
Put a line on it. If they're gonna do it, they gotta do it awful quick.
You know what? We were anchored right over there, eh? Nobody on board, eh?
Nobody.
You gotta pull it offshore. Yeah, he saved as much rope as he can before he cut it. If you're gonna cut it, you might as well salvage as much rope as you can. Yeah, he does. $60